Hello there. This video is to show you how to submit your math assignments, any assignments that requires typing out some math symbols or equations. So how are you going to submit those? So let's take a look. Let's open Google Classroom. Here in my demo class, you see that the latest assignment on the stream is a math assignment. So let's click that and see. Here we go. Please complete the math assignment by typing your answer or submitting a picture of your answers on paper. So it looks like we have two ways of submitting our answers. We can either type our answer onto the document, or we can take a picture of our answers, which is on paper, and submitting that. So let's first take a look at how do we type our answers. Let's open the math assignment here. All right, question number 1. What is 5x plus 2x? Well, 5x's plus 2x's, 5 plus 2 is 7, so our answer should be 7x. So where it says answer, I want to type my answer. Now, you can type 7x, just using the number 7 and the letter x, or you can use the special symbols and equations that are found in Google Docs. So where can we find it? Go up to Insert at the top. And if you go down, midway, there is special characters and there's equation. And for us doing math, equation would be the place where we want to go. So click on that. And now whatever you type will be in equation mathematical form. So you can now type 7x, and you can see that the x looks more like a math x than the letter x. So 7x. You're going to see it more clearly on the next question. What is 1 1/2? That's a fraction, written as an improper fraction. So 1 1/2 in improper fraction is 3/2. So how are we going to type a fraction? So we're going to highlight our answers. We're going to go up here. Because we already clicked insert an equation, then this new toolbar comes up. And so we can type new equation. Give me a box to type my new equation, and I want to type a fraction. So let's take a look at what we have here. The first one, we have Greek letters. If you ever have to type many different variables, you're going to come here to look for your Greek letters, your alpha, beta, gamma, delta. The next menu here is, you got your multiplication sign, division sign, your multiplication again, plus minus. You have a lot of different other symbols you could use. Our third drop down menu here is different signs: greater than, less than, greater and, equal than. And here we go. I see here fraction, which is what we need. Okay, and besides fraction, we also have our square roots. We have our squares. Okay, x to the 2, your quadratics, x to the 3, your cubics. Okay, we got some really fancy brackets here. And our last drop down menu would be arrows. So we need to type fractions, so we're going to choose a over b. It looks like I need to type something at the top. I said the answer is 3/2, so 3. I'm going to use my down arrow to get to, oh no, that didn't work. Okay, to the bottom, 3/2, and there we go. And once you're done, go to the top right corner, you're going to type turn in. Okay, and that will automatically turn your assignment in. You're going to confirm that you're turning it in. So that's one way to turn your assignment in, by typing in your math answers. Now, what if you don't want to type your math answers? What if you did all your answers on a piece of paper and you want to just take a picture of it? You can absolutely do that. So right now, let me unsubmit it. And when you unsubmit it, you see that they have a button underneath the document. It's called Add or Create. And if you click that, you have an option of choosing a file from your Google Drive, adding a link, or you can even attach a file. So if you took a picture, okay, you can always download the picture and then you can attach it as a file. So you're going to have to look for the picture, okay, and attach it as a file. Now, also, if you're using an iPhone, an Android phone, or some sort of a tablet and iPad, and you have Google Classroom on it, Okay, there's actually a button that you can press when it says add. Okay, if you click on it, in addition to your Google Drive and your file, you can see a camera button, and so that's where you would directly click the camera button, take a picture of your work, and you can submit it directly there. You don't have to attach it as a file, but that's only if you're using iPhone, Android phone, or a tablet, iPad with Google Classroom on it. Okay, so those are your two options. Hope that helps. And if you have any questions, you can always message your teacher and ask for assistance. Bye bye.